so I made my Magic Mix video. This part was in there, but it was at the end. So if you didn't watch that video, you probably didn't get it. But again, I wanted to make this video about my conversion. I'm gonna switch over my Epson 8550 because you know I don't do this. My Epson 8550 is standard dampers, standard stuff, and my modifications that I've done to it. But I'm gonna try something new because I'm bored. I am absolutely bored. I'm bored at my ever-loving mind, and I'm trying to find something to do. So this is what I'm gonna do. Oh, just to say, the only part of this entire DTF thing that I like to do, making stickers, the only part that I actually like to do is to tear the printers apart. That's it. I don't care about I don't care about none of that stuff. I don't care about fashion. I couldn't care less about this stuff. I'm not a fashion person. I just love electronics. I love technology. I love tearing stuff apart, building stuff from scratch. That's just my thing. All right, so I'm gonna tear my printer apart again because this is the only part I enjoy. But the entire process is the only parts I enjoy. So I want to try these. I'm gonna convert my printer over to this. I want to see what the big everybody go. Oh, so I want to convert my printer over to this. I want to see if if it really makes that much of a difference. Because as y'all saw all my videos, I'm printing. Check the group. They'll tell you my printer's I'm printing out the qualities of a $4,000 printer, if not better. Plus my wash videos. Look at the printer printouts. They look just as good as a $20,000 printer. In some cases, it was beating a $40,000 printer. So I really don't have no need to switch my printer over. I'm just bored and I'm just doing this. All right. So if you want to see me do that conversion, just let me know. If not, I'm still gonna make the videos because I'm just bored. All right. So peace.
Step up your A game, step